In this lesson, I'd like to show you some exercises using the chromatic scale and octaves. Please note that in this lesson and for future lessons, I'll be using the kind of tablature that you'll find on most tab sites on the internet. So let's start with the chromatic scale. A chromatic scale is a series of notes that move up or down by a semitone or a half step. On the guitar, this means that we would move up or down by one fret at a time. Let's try this with a simple 4-note exercise. Start at the 5th fret on the top E string and move up by one fret at a time, like so. Please use all 4 fingers of your fretting hand and use alternate picking if using a plectrum. Repeat this 4 times after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll try this in reverse. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we'll try it going up and down. After 3, 1, 2, 3. The reason that I've only counted to 3 at the start of exercise 3 is because, as I hope you can hear, we are only using 3 notes for each ascending or descending pattern. This takes us into a 3/4 or triple time rather than 4/4 or common time, and therefore we would count differently on this pattern. More about this in future lessons. This time, we'll try a full 2-octave chromatic scale ascending from A on the bottom E string all the way to A on the top E string. We do this like so. Start at the 5th fret on the bottom E string and then play at the 6th, 7th and 8th frets. Move to the 5th string and play from the 4th to the 7th frets. On to the 4th string and play from the 3rd to the 6th frets. On the 3rd string, play from the 2nd to the 5th frets. On the 2nd string, play from the 2nd to the 5th frets again, as the tuning is different between the 3rd and 2nd strings. On the top string, play from the 1st to the 4th frets like so, and finish on the note of A by sliding your little finger up to the 5th fret and plucking. If we put this together, it should sound like this. Try this with me after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please make sure that you're using all 4 fingers of your fretting hand and use alternate picking if using a plectrum. Now, let's try the same scale going down or descending. Start with your little finger on the 5th fret on the top E string, then play at the 4th, 3rd and 2nd frets. On the 2nd string, play from the 6th to the 3rd frets. On the 3rd string, play from the 6th to the 3rd frets. On the 4th string, play from the 7th to the 4th frets. On the 5th string, play from the 8th to the 5th frets. Onto the bottom E string and play from the 9th to the 6th frets. And finish the scale by sliding your first finger down to the 5th fret to end on the note of A. If we put this together, it should sound like this. Try this with me. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, please make sure that you're using all 4 fingers of your fretting hand and use alternate picking if using a plectrum.